I'm Butch the breakdown truck. Fire! Fire! Come on, Flynn! Get ready to rescue! There's a fire! But the fire is not at Ulster Castle. It's at Brandon Dogs. Belle can't go there. She has to stay for the fireworks. Come on, Flynn. We really need you. You're the only engine that could put out this fire. Yes. Bluebells are beautiful. And my friend Rusty. I wouldn't dare if it wasn't for him. Hello, my name's Porter. Is your engine okay? The middle ones is my steam duct, and the other two are my sandboxes. I keep the sandboxes dry, so it's already ready for pour if the tracks get slippery. I'll show you. Listen, Jerry, who worries about a few spins?